news is I just got back to my computer. Thought we could take a look at some stuff. This morning, what really surprised me was CCJ. The uranium company took a big nosedive. At one point, it was down like 12%. At like 1990, I think, maybe 80. I bought some more shares. Not a lot, but just a little bit. I mean, it's still tanked, but on the grand scheme of things, this pullback is definitely healthy. Maybe it'll go to like 1800. I don't know actually, but anyway, I just thought, you know what, I'll buy some more. Down 10% one morning actually. So I was like, yeah, whatever. But I think in the grand scheme of things, looking at the chart and the uranium price, I think we what's this? Yeah, this month uranium's kind of pulling back, but I don't think it should pull back to like $19, $18. But that would look realistic, right? But that's a huge. That's actually not that big, 10% drop. I mean, I hope Cameo doesn't get there, but thought I'd just add a little bit today. While I could, I guess some big boys sold out when the uranium price dropped. But you know, whatever. We'll see what happens. I'm okay. Coursera, man, this thing jumped. Look at that volume. I don't know actually what happened. We can pull up some news. Clean energy, Reddit investors. Coursera trading higher amid increased retail investor interest in the stock. I guess the Reddit's getting behind this. Cool. I mean, it jumped up a lot. It pulled all the way back to this trend line. It's always interesting when the technical analysis kind of works out. I mean, I only picked that. Why'd I pick that exact line? I was close enough. There's a little bit of whatever, but about 35 bucks. I guess 35.50 is probably where it dropped. Something around there, but close enough. Let me just check one thing. Okay, I want to check the volume on the audio. But yeah, kind of interesting big boy move. I don't know if actually that actually touched there too. Look at that beautiful place. Spikes up, touches that resistance, pulls all the way back down. Let's go to like 2 minutes. Pulls all the way back down to retest, and then all the way back up. Fascinating. Quite fascinating, actually. But I didn't make any money on this for obvious reasons. We see that Bitcoin's up 7% to 7.5. Still in this like 45 or 40 to 30 range. Not too much going on. But even with the technical analysis, I have no idea what this would do. I mean, it's not like I would know anyway, but crude bumping up higher. I mean, not really today, but just the last few weeks. Gold and silver actually fell, or at least gold did, to like some support. Kind of a big drop today. Same thing with silver, but it's getting bought back up a little bit. And let's see, like KL. I mean, not really, but I guess NEM in the morning, at least they got bought up. MAG though, it dropped and then got all the way bought back up, but now it seems like it's selling off a little bit. I did sell some shares. What's today? Maybe Thursday. I don't know. But yeah, a little bit, not a lot. Like, I think it's getting to a point where I probably should sell more. But like, I don't know. I also am scared this is gonna like, let's see, break out of something or keep going up. Like this is actually, it doesn't really make sense. That's still going up despite silver prices remaining kind of stagnant. So that should give me more motivation to sell this. But it's just getting bought up so heavily. Like, I don't know if ascending triangle. I kind of wish this wick wasn't here. At least it was a little bit more down. But yeah, this is looking like an ascending triangle. Let's see. I would like to increase it a little more, this position. Maybe around like 383. If I could get that price. Average price right now is 388, so I'm basically down like a penny today on each share. Other than that, yeah, like kind of just chilling. Let's see. I guess I haven't really even looked at anything else now that I think about it. We can like scan for some stuff, but I'd rather just take a look at what's moving. US Steel is down like 6%. Trip, HIDI, FCX, a lot of stuff's down. Let's see what's moving. Oh yeah, AMC obviously, but Bumble's up 8%. Interesting. Space, man, this is sad. Did we talk about this? I don't know if we did, but I don't even know if I want to. I was in the right trade at the wrong time, and that's the big difference between making money and losing a lot. Or, yeah, it is what it is. I can't mull over it. There was something else that did it not get added to my list that I wanted to talk about. This one stock, ASO, man. I just wish I bought it and could waiting for the optimal time. Like, it's just ripping up to like 40 bucks. Again, it hasn't had like a month of bad since its inception in October. I guess not a single person is like selling. I still say patience, it's fine. Oh, MO. MO pulling back a lot today, down 2.5%. I guess people got their dividend and were like, hey, I'm out. I'm out, skis. But still looking spicy on monthly charts. Probably weekly, I think would look a little bit better. Nah, monthly looks better just with time frame. I mean, if it goes back to like 45, yeah, that'd be spicy. It's gotta fall another 5%. And then I think in the long run, I mean, if it pulls back to 45, I think that'd be kind of cool to get in for me, but it's probably not even worth it. I really do enjoy just, like, again, I've made really dumb decisions these last few months. I mean, like, AMC space was like a dumb decision. I mean, if I held on, I still would have made like 60%, but like right now, but I didn't, and I timed it wrong and suffered a pretty big loss. Same thing with Roku, not Roku, Rocket. Speaking of Roku, how is Roku doing? Let me look at that. Where's Roku? Nope. Roku. Down like 25%, but I mean, it's up a lot, so Rocket bad trade. I just had bad trades, like, last few months, and I'm not really in a good position where I even care to try and scrape by some easy money, like, or, not easy money, but you know what I mean, like, I'm not trying to say, oh, like, set up this trade, oh, let's try to play it out, like, I just don't really care. I'd rather just put some money in, like, Exxon, or for Pranav, but not Exxon. A little extended, but like Lockheed, I'd rather just dump some money in there, maybe buy some Disney, or just literally save the money and wait for something to kind of correct, kind of like CCJ. I think it's kind of correcting a little bit, but not gonna be scared to pick up more shares if it comes back down. I think we're still up like 12%. I mean, yeah, we were up like 20-30%, but that's actually a pretty big hit today. But yeah, these like shorter weekly trades that I've been doing, or I did do the last few months, like I just don't necessarily want to take that kind of risk. I'm just chilling right now, you know. We vibing. Oh wait, this was still a good trade. I think we did from here to here. Was that it? I don't really remember. Maybe here to here. I mean, even if I held on, it would have been kind of good, but pulling back. Wait, Northrop Grumman's down a whole percent, almost in a half. Kind of almost a little ascending triangle too, very similar to Lockheed. But yeah, like if I get money, if I have extra cash, like I just want to spend it on these things. Like it's just a vibe right now, you know. That's basically the only way to say it. Man, this would have been pretty good to buy a while ago. What's their dividend now? I mean, they did start increasing it. They're probably, let me do some quick math. 2.3 times 4, they're probably gonna do 4. It's like 20 bucks. 4.6. I mean, like before Corona, it was 28. So I mean, they're kind of getting back, but like, I think that this trade I bought like down here, it like shot up like 30%. I just like got out. I mean, kind of thankful I did, because then I could have picked it back up if I wanted to down here, but I think the play was to rebuy back at like 14. This is like some real estate company in like the Northeast. I don't know, just shoulda, coulda, woulda stuff. It's fun to talk about. I kind of wish I had my Raytheon shares. I think I had it like 59.60. These defensive sectors are, yeah, basically their like dividends are pretty wild. Get rid of this. I don't know if I'm pretty sure I told you guys I did sell out of HID or High Tide. I kind of just had to. That's basically all I'm gonna say about that. But yeah, they had their split. This is not an increase in the price. They just had their stock split. So let's see. Just scanning through what is GameStop doing. No surprise that on their earnings they plummeted. Fitch, what's Fitch? I don't know about this thing. This thing's wild. Etsy's up almost 3.5%. Yeah. I mean, if anyone has any cool plays, let me know. But other than that, I'm just chilling. Oh, Caterpillar's fallen. Oh no, what happened to my internet? Delayed data, no. Caterpillar's fallen. I mean, it's been going wild for months. So, wait, it hit 250. Wow. I remember saying if it hit 100 bucks, I was gonna buy it, and it never did. But let's see. It says delayed data. I don't know if my software's bugging or. That's crazy though. Oh, I think this company BI, what is this? Biogen, yeah. Something happened. They had some Alzheimer's drug or something released. That thing shot up pretty mad, actually, from like 260 to like the 400. That's crazy. That's crazy out there. Apple's up a pretty big amount today. You know, I was really considering buying this on, like 123. Like, I was like, should I do it? And I was like, you know, I'm not trying to expose myself to tech right now. Even, man, though, this looks spicy. Look at this. I should actually redraw this. That is what it is, though, but this is what it decided to become. It's like, let's even go to bigger time frame. Like, bro, this is looking spicy. It's hard to say. Oh, Apple already up like 100%, like in like 2 years or something. But like, you look at this chart, and again, let's make the comparison to AMD. Like, right here is where we say AMD. We had this big up move. It keeps big resistance, and boom. Really interesting coming back to the trend after all these months. That was a great trade. Pat myself on the back for that. But now I see the thing with Apple. Where'd it go? Let's put crazy. I think for my, if I did have to take a trade, man, I'm gonna debate this. I'm gonna probably meditate over this for a little bit. After the video, if I make that though, is that the whole week? Let's see that candle actually. 1, 2, 3. Well, basically that whole week. It tried to hit up there and it fell. I wouldn't invest in Apple though right now. I know it's a great company. I think for like 5, 10 years out, it's great. I just think it's gonna take a hit, you know. So I think everything in tech might. I mean, I could be wrong, but it's my money, so I'm gonna make that investing decision that I don't want to invest in tech, but trading it, especially at this level. I think it'll be spicy. Yeah, I think. Actually, let's get this drawing a little better if we connect that one. I wish it connected with that, but it's not realistically. I don't know. Do I risk like 4% for like, let's say at least 15? Like 150 I think would be reasonable. Actually, we can even do some like fib tracements and stuff like that. I know some. I don't know if I would say that whole move though, but that is the measured move, right? I'd say like from here, honestly, like 40%. What is it, like half that you say? From here, no, I wouldn't do that. I don't know. I think it's smart just to take a little position in Apple, nothing big. I'm just saying this for me, myself, not no one else. But I think for me, I think my everything I've seen. Yeah. If this wasn't here though, this gives me a lot of uncertainty because a lot of things I've seen in the past that had that make it bad. You know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna trade this, right? And tech's gonna crash. Where's AMD? Let's go back